Let us see how you can create a dynamic base image. First of all, click on create new experience and add a experience name here for future reference. Now set a background image. This background image cannot be more than 500 kbs. Now add the personalization variables. For example, here I want to enter the name as a variable and enter a fallback for it. So if you do not supply it in the bulk campaigns or bots or automations, this will come by default. After this, create component. So we have image, text and QR code as component. Let us select the text block and now you can personalize it like this, or sorry, edit it like this. Now go to the edit icon here and then you can define the color, the font, the size, the style, and possibly the borders as well. Let me reduce the font to 14 and keep it as center of the about text. And here the content will be the variable. You can also add some elements ahead if you want, or maybe afterwards if you want. But for now, I'm just keeping the variable here. Once all this is done, click on save. So now this certificate is created with one variable in it, and that is the text. Thank you.